I did have a patient come in and brought her husband for a neck problem, and I heard her in the waiting room talking about if anything we could do for her shingles. And I said, would you mind trying something? So we put her back, we took her on to the QRS, and she even admitted to me later that she thought I was nuts because she had the shingles for 7 years. She had increased double pressure in her eye. For 7 years, she's been to Will's eye, she's been everywhere. She's had drops, everything. And it just so happened that one of her doctors happens to be a golfing buddy of mine. So when she went for her return appointment in his office, which was 3 weeks after we started, first of all, her headaches went away. First time in 7 years. Then she goes back and gets her eye checked, and the doctor pushes away and asks her, what have you been doing? And she started laughing, and she says, well, what do you mean? She says, I want to know exactly what you've been doing. She says, because I have never seen in 7 years this pressure change so much. It went from a 22 down to a 13. And she said, I was seeing a chiropractor. He says, no, there's more to it than that. And then she said, well, I'm getting this thing called pulse magnetic therapy. And he called me on the phone and said, listen, whatever you're doing, just keep doing it because it's unbelievable the change in her eyes. So, yeah, that's one of the stories.
Good, thanks.